Okay, these instructions will show you how to create a Microsoft Sway so you can do your typography assignment. So to get to Sway, I don't know if your Office 365 will look like mine, if your items are on the left or if they're on the top. If you can't find them, if you click the app launcher, you're looking for Sway. Okay, so you have an option of creating a blank Sway, or you can choose a template. I think I am going to create a blank Sway. All right, so I'm going to go to Teams, and we're going to take a look at the assignment that requires you to do this. All right, so this is graphic design, and the assignment that I am working on is called typography. So you're going to watch a video, and then you have directions that tell you to go online, use Google Images, but you don't have to use Google Images. You'll be able to use the images in Sway, and you're going to find examples of the vocabulary listed below. The video that you watch should have showed you the different examples, so that should make it a little bit easier for you. So what you're going to do, so the name of this is going to be called Typography Project. Oh, I don't want to link. And then if I wanted to put a background, I would just simply click where it says background. Then I'm going to look. I looked for things that fell under the category of typography project. And you can pick a background. They're going to offer you quite a few of them. Or you can just choose a template, which I'll show you guys how to do that very shortly. So I am going to pick this one and then click add. So that is my title. So I know this is something new, so I'm going to give you some time to learn how to use the program as well as finish the project. So you're going to click the plus sign, and I'm going to put text in here. And so I'm going to put by Ms. Coulon. You're going to put your name there. I'm going to click play. So this is what it would look like. So you can actually make some changes to it, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Now, if I wanted to change my design, I just simply click design and go to styles, and I could choose how this is going to look. And so what I'm going to strongly urge you to do is to do the project first and then go back and look at all the fancy things that you might change it to. All right, I could do this for hours. All right. Oh, I didn't like that one. It's another color. Again, I could do this for hours. So I'm finished. So I'm going to close it. And then I'm ready to go back to edit. So I'm going to click storyline. I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to go back to Sway. And I'm going to show you, if you decide to use a template, just pick any template you want, and it's going to already be formatted, and all you have to do is add your information to it. So let's say I'm going to use this Sway. And then you click start editing this Sway. It's going to prepare the template for you. And then you can type your title. You could always change the pictures if you want. So this is called Typography. So I just showed you how to create a new Sway, and also how to create a Sway using the template.